Hi guys, welcome to our second video regarding tax smart investments. Now I want to talk to you guys about an investment type known as a Section 12J VCC investment. It's a specific type of investment and it's basically buying shares in a company, but it's a very special type of company that has to be registered with the Financial Services Board and get recognized by the South African Revenue Services as a registered 12J VCC. These types of companies are mandated into how they are allowed to invest in other companies, and there's certain restrictions placed on them. The whole idea is that the government has created a tax favorable environment to encourage these investments to help grow small businesses in the South African economy, which will help the economy grow and create jobs. Now, I'm not going to go into that too much. Please watch our video on how 12Js work in detail. This is about the tax benefits. Now, in short, any investment you make into one of these types of companies is 100% tax deductible against your taxable income. As an example, if you have earned 100,000 Rand in a tax year, you're going to have to pay tax on that 100,000 Rand. Now, to keep the calculation simple, let's say you were going to pay 20% tax. 20% tax on 100,000 Rand means you're going to pay 20,000 Rand to the receiver of revenue and you're left to spend the 80,000 Rand after tax. But let's say you have a lump sum lying around and you want to do something with it and you're thinking of investing. If you were to invest in a 12J, you would get a 100,000 Rand tax deduction if your investment into the 12J was 100,000 Rand, meaning that your taxable income is 100,000 Rand, you invest 100,000 Rand, that means your taxable income is zero. That effectively means you've made immediately 20,000 Rand if that's the amount of tax you're going to pay. Now, keeping in mind that tax rates for individuals run from 18% right up to 45%. For someone that's in a 45% or 41% tax bracket even, you're essentially getting 41% growth on your money just in tax benefits. Never mind the dividends you get from the 12J investment and the capital growth that the actual investment gives you. Now, what makes a 12J so special is that unlike a retirement annuity, which is a different type of tax favorable investment, these investments can be made in the names of trusts and companies. RAs are a great way to reduce personal income tax, but there are very few options for companies and trusts to reduce their income tax. Now, also keeping in mind that trusts are highly taxed at 45% flat rate, so a 12J investment within a trust is extremely useful. But for every Rand you basically put into a 12J, you will be getting 45 cents back from the receiver, or you'll be paying 45% less tax. These are very powerful tools, and the way they can be used for individuals specifically is retirement annuity contributions for individuals are capped at 27.5% or 350,000 Rand, meaning that you can only reduce your taxes really up to a certain limit before you are not allowed to get a tax deduction for additional retirement annuity contributions. So what you could do is, if you've run into that cap, specifically if you've incurred large taxable incomes due to a capital gain or a sale of a business or property, you can then make up the difference to avoid paying unnecessary taxes by using a 12J. Please check out our video specifically on 12Js for more information. Thank you.